Morning comes softly. The sky is calm and blue. The street wakes up. People walk with coffee cups.
I love this fresh air. It feels peaceful. How are you this morning?
Tired. I hate busy mornings.
Traffic lights change slowly at the corner. Cars stop and start. The city gets louder.
I breathe slowly. It helps me stay calm. Try it with me.
No, we don't have time. I feel tense. We have a meeting soon.
You look stressed.
Because we might be late.
People rush past them without looking. Warm coffee, steam rises into the air. A child stands near the curb alone. The child looks confused and scared.
That boy looks lost. I want to help. Eva, wait for me.
Emma, please, keep walking.
Just a moment. I need to check. Can we stop?
Fine, 1 minute.
Hi, are you okay?
I don't know.
We can't stay long.
I know, just quick. Hold my hand. Let's cross together.
Okay, thank you.
Look both ways, okay?
Yes, I will.
This is not our job.
But we can still help.
Traffic moves again. The street stays busy.
Okay, you're safe now.
Yes, thank you.
You waste time on strangers.
It's not wasted to me. Kindness matters.
Bills matter more.
The noise grows louder as they walk. A small coffee shop appears ahead. The barista makes drinks behind the counter.
Good morning. 1 cappuccino, please.
Sure, coming right up.
No sugar for me.
Okay, no sugar.
2 cups are placed on the counter. Steam rises slowly from the hot coffee.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
You smile too much.
Smiling feels good.
Someone nearby sneezes loudly.
Bless you.
You talk to everyone.
Just a little.
An old man struggles with the door.
Let me hold it for you.
Oh, thank you. You're very kind.
I'm happy to help.
He could do it himself.
Maybe his hands hurt.
The coffee shop door closes behind them.
This coffee tastes better outside.
It tastes the same.
Do you like mornings?
No, I only feel pressure.
Window reflections move as cars pass.
I try to stay calm.
The world isn't kind to me.
Then you can be kind first.
They walk again, back into the crowd. The crosswalk fills with people.
Melody slightly deters.
A person drops papers on the ground.
Vocal humming.
Oh, let's help.
Emma, we're late.
Just 2 seconds.
Okay, quick. Here, you dropped this.
Are these all yours?
Phillips.
Yes, thanks so much.
Vocal.
You're welcome.
Remain soft and very.
See, easy. How do you feel?
Strange, but not bad. My hand moved before I thought.
That's your good side.
The stranger walks away into the street.
Only piano pads. Very
Why
long.
did that feel different?
Because it was real.
Returns.
Small good things change us.
Maybe, a little.
The morning sun grows brighter above them. The office building stands tall and quiet.
We're here, ready?
Yes, I think.
Piano
Wait a second.
slowly fades out.
Sure, what's wrong?
I keep thinking about that smile.
Kindness stays in your mind.
I don't trust people.
You don't have to.
The office doors open wide. People enter fast, looking serious.
My father said people only care for themselves. Maybe, but now I'm not sure.
That's okay.
The elevator doors close softly.
I thought helping was a waste.
Good things make anger smaller.
I want to feel that.
Soft, elevator lights glow above them.
I'm confused.
Confused means you're learning.
That's very
I'm not promising anything.
A small try is enough.
returns.
We'll start small.
Okay, I'll try.
The elevator reaches the office floor.